Busting the myth. Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? The question, is this just a common belief, or is there truth to it? Present the myth. Explaining the commonly held belief that cracking knuckles is harmful and can cause arthritis. Use engaging visuals or graphics to illustrate the myth. Provide scientific evidence. Share findings from studies or expert opinions that debunk this myth. Present facts, such as how arthritis is caused by various factors unrelated to knuckle cracking. Engaging demonstration. If possible, demonstrate the action of cracking knuckles and discuss any common misconceptions related to it. Invite a health professional or use quotes from credible sources to strengthen your argument. Conclusion. Wrap up by summarizing that cracking knuckles does not cause arthritis. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe.